wherever you are. Today, I'll be sharing an Andhra recipe called as dosakaya pachadi. Dosakaya is called English cucumber and it's very healthy. It's a water vegetable. It's very easy to prepare and when mixed with rice or ghee, it tastes heavenly. Now let's get to the video and see how to make dosakaya pachadi. For dosakaya pachadi, we need a small sized yellow cucumber. We have cut them into big pieces after peeling the skin and taking away the seeds. Then we need a teaspoon of mustard seeds. I have taken some cherry tomatoes which we have grown in our terrace garden. You can also use the normal tomatoes. 3 to 4 green chilies, they are totally optional. Curry leaves, cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of urad dal. We also need some red chilies. Asafoetida, that is also totally optional. We will be using only sesame oil to make this pachadi. We need a gooseberry sized tamarind and a small teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. For any pachadi, we need a little bit more oil. Only then the pachadi will taste very good and stay well for a longer period of time. Once the oil is hot enough, let's add the mustard seeds and the urad dal and the cumin seeds. Now let's add the red chilies. Now once the red chilies are fried well, let's add the tomatoes and then the dosakayi. After adding the tomatoes, let's add the dosakayi. The dosakayi is a watery vegetable, so this has to shrink to half its size. Till then, we need to be cooking this. Let's add the curry leaves, asafoetida and salt. This is a very healthy recipe and very quick to make. You can also use this pachadi with dosa or idli also. Now the dosakaya is shrunk to half its size. Let's add the tamarind. Cook it for another 2 minutes and then allow this to cool completely. If you want to try out this recipe in the brownic method, you can omit the green chilies and the asafoetida. I've added a little bit of green chilies and asafoetida in this recipe, but for the pranic method, you can totally avoid these 2 ingredients. Now let's transfer all the ingredients to a mixer jar after it's cooled completely and let's grind it to a coarse paste. The dosakaya pachadi is ready. We have decorated it with a sprig of curry leaves. Enjoy this with hot rice, ghee and sesame oil. You watched the video? Did you like it? I hope you'll try out this recipe and let me know. I'll see you soon with another cooking recipe. Until then, my namaskarams to all of you.